it's Michael Saul, but everybody calls me Tiny, and this video is a perfect place for a pause again, plus a stock to watch. This is analysis for the week of November 27th, 2017. If you would like to receive intra-week updates from me, all you have to do is go to www.attackthemarkets.com, put in your first name and best email address, and click the Sign Me Up button. Then go to the email you used to sign up, look for an email from me with a link inside it, click that link so you confirm that you actually want to receive intra-week updates and you're not just some little pesky automatic bot that goes around filling out all these forms. All right, so it's Thanksgiving week. Hope you had a wonderful holiday if you celebrated. I had a nice piece of prime rib. I'm on this ketogenic diet now. I'm starting my 10th week. So the carbs are very low. I get my carbs from leafy green vegetables. I know you really don't care. You just want to hear more about the market. But anyway, if you do care and you would like more information and you would like to talk to me about it, you could always write me at tiny@attackthemarkets.com. Always happy to hear your experiences. Okay, doing pretty good, down about 27 pounds also. All right, so now let's move on to the market. Why did I say it is a perfect spot for a pause here? Well, once again, we're at new all-time highs. This is the day after Thanksgiving candle, or the Black Friday candle, whatever you want to call it, which was a shortened day. Market closes at 1 p.m. And you could see this is a shot of indecision. So Wednesday, pause day, not a lot of volume because it was ahead of the holiday. Then Friday, it's not really a lot of volume because it's the half day after the holiday, and we're again at all-time highs. Now, this is at least for the SPY. Now, you have heard me say over and over again, and if you haven't, just go watch older videos, that new highs to me are not necessarily a place to initiate, but rather a place to take partial profits and trail stops accordingly. I do not think we crash from here. I do not think we go into a bear market from here. I don't even think we go into a huge correction from here. However, I would not be surprised and will welcome a nice pullback. Something like this or better. I mean, this took just over a week. Maybe something will take a few weeks, whatever it is. Okay, maybe we get down to the 50-day moving average. I believe that we will have another opportunity to get exposure to the long side for one final push-up, whether it's a Christmas rally, whether it's an end-of-year markup, whatever it is. So that's what I am looking for. On the upside, we do have 262 as next resistance for the SPY, but those numbers with a strong trend like this, trying to pick out resistance levels, just it doesn't really make much sense. Next week, November 27th, right before into the end of the month, nice spot to start a pullback. And this area between Thanksgiving and Christmas usually sets up with some pretty nice setups. If you're an intraday trader, look for some setups there as well. I don't know if it means an increase in volatility or not, but it usually tends to be a good trading window between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the other majors. So the Dow is more sideways than actually up at new highs, but again, lagging a little bit. I could care less. Here's the Russell, popped up on Wednesday, paused on Friday. Here's the mid-caps, same kind of deal. And here's the NASDAQ just continuing to power up. All right, stocks like Amazon, just wow. What a move here on Amazon, and they're going to really milk this Black Friday and how well they're doing and all the offers. I don't know how you did with your Black Friday shopping, but just the offers were just absolutely incredible. They're going to go to Cyber Monday and blah, blah, blah. Okay, great. So here's Apple, right? Here's the Facebook. Here's Alphabet. Okay, how about Netflix? I just got to notice that they're raising up my price to $10.99 a month. Not canceling, but also not happy. Here's Netflix. How about Tesla? Okay, Tesla, yeah, still lagging a little bit here. Still under the 200-day moving average. So see if this could turn and if we could get some further downside from here. Otherwise, it'll take us getting above the 250 to start moving higher. Let's look at some of the sectors. Semiconductors, new high. NVIDIA still acting well. Intel, pull back to the 20 EMA. See if it can pivot from here. And here's Clad Tanker. Still a little messy. Not a short signal right here. But let's see what it can do here. It looks a little bit messy on the short term, but still with a bullish foundation. Here's the banks. So the banks couldn't really close back over the 20 EMA here, and instead now they're back below the 200-day. Again, this isn't really a short signal, but it's not exactly screaming bullish. Now, of course, we're just off the high, so it's tough to say, oh, that's it, the banks are topping out. No. That's not how I read charts, okay? But it could be for a little softness here in the bank, so pay attention here. Here's Bank of America, can form a coil over there. Here's J.P. Morgan. Here's Citigroup. Here's Northern Trust. All right, here's Zion. More sideways here than anything. How about Goldman, which acts more like a bank? However, let's look at the XBD as well. Still acting better than the banks. Okay, the brokers are still acting better than the banks. How about the biotechs? Biotechs back over the 50-day moving average. So first we had the higher high that led to a decline. Then we had the lower low that led to an advance. So this is pretty characteristic of a market that's ready to form a range. Look at Biogen, just not going anywhere. And then Gilead, those are the two that I like to look at when it comes here. Let's look at some other stocks like Caterpillar. So Caterpillar's still in this bull flag-like formation. See if it can pop up to 150. How do you like that noise, by the way? That's my dryer. Here's John Deere, which pushed up and then had what I like to call the New York salute. The middle finger, which is the inverted hammer with the close below the open. See if it could get back down and fill this gap. See if I could fix that dry. I just realized it's been making that noise the whole time. I'm like, wait a minute. You know, because to me it just blends in with everything now. But hopefully it's fixed by next week. Here's John Deere. Let's look at gold. Gold is more sideways than anything. Here are the miners. Again, more sideways than anything. Got the rejection off the 200 and the 50-day moving average. Oil is having a nice move. So oil continues to rock and roll, and that's the excuse for why the market's doing well now. Oh, tech is faltering. I don't know how you could say Amazon is faltering, but that's just, I read some article, and oil's keeping the market brisk. Okay, whatever it is. Next resistance is up here at the 1250 area. Here's bonds, more sideways than anything, so not really showing any strong trend. Let's do the recap. I think we're getting a pullback just in time as the dryer stops making its noise. I think the market is set for a pullback. I don't think it's a new bear market. I don't think it's a crash. I don't think it's a huge correction. I think it's going to lead to another buying opportunity for an end-of-year move. Stock to watch this week is First Solar Inc. Nice pop out of this range, and now has formed a bull flag. Can it continue to form this for a little bit? Maybe. Maybe it could get down to the 20 EMA, but I would start watching this to see if it is going to resume in the direction of this impulse. Questions? I've got answers. Just write me. Tiny@attackthemarkets.com. Have a great trading week. Sign up for intra-week alerts. Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video, and I will talk to you soon.